Welcome back to the Robotarium, where Andrea is on the treadmill behind us, hooked up to all sorts of equipment. What is it about? I'm glad to see an expert's here to tell me. Dr. Vlad Ivan. Vlad, Andrea's walking on the treadmill. This is all about improving the way that robots move.
Yeah, but before we start understanding how to make robots move better, we try to understand how people move around and walk. So what we have done here, we have used Andrea as a subject, and we are trying to analyze the way she's walking. So she's wearing a motion capture suit, which allows us to see how exactly her body is moving. And she's walking on a very special treadmill that can also detect the forces and how she interacts with the world around her.
Yeah, we're watching her movement on the screens. Let's have a look at those screens and tell me, Vlad, what are they showing us?
And so here on the right, you see the captured motion. So this is all of the motion of the whole body. But on top of that, this is quite good for medical studies, so we can understand how people move. But when we want to transfer the motion to robots, we also need to understand how the body is interacting with the world around. And this is what we see on the left side, where we see the forces that her body is exerting on the treadmill.
Now we can give Andrea a limp, can't we?
Yeah, yeah. So because the treadmill has two belts, we can make one of them move slower. And this will essentially emulate a limping person without us having to have someone injured on the treadmill.
And it is all about, robots, which can be clumsy in terms of their movement, moving more like human beings, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. And this is actually a very difficult problem that we're trying to solve here. And people are our inspiration. So this is where we try to understand how a human walking works and then transfer it onto robots.
And tell me about the practical uses and the practical benefits.
So we would like to have robots working in an environment where people work. So they would definitely need to walk up and down the stairs. They will eventually bump into things. Other people may bump into them. So they need to be as robust as we are when moving around.
Okay. Vlad Ivan, thank you very much indeed for your time here at the Edinburgh Centre of Robotics. Back now to you.